Welcome back once again. This is Ace of Diamonds Magic, and today I've got something very special in store for you. Let's take a look and see what decks of cards we're going to be opening up here today. That's right, we've got two different decks of playing cards that we're going to be taking a look at. These are the Boskarta playing cards in the black and white version. So with that said, let's get started. I want to get into these cards. They're inspired by vintage cameras, and so that makes me super excited. We're going to be starting with this one here, which I want to say is the standard edition. All right, so the first thing is a look at this tuck box, this absolutely beautiful tuck box that's made to look like a old camera or potentially an old case for a camera. It does have a cutout here, and you can see the cards on the inside. On the bottom, we have produced in concept by Wounded Corner, designed by Ito Wong, printed by Legends. Okay. At the top, we have this seal that's going across. Really cool seal with the serial number on it. I'm not sure if they're actually numbered or if they all say the same number. Let's see if I can get this seal. There we go. All right, put that off to the side. So this is really cool. This is an actual piece of plastic that appears to be glued on the inside of the tuck box itself. That's really cool. And then over here, we have the cards. Wow. Definitely a lot of detail going on. We have two different lenses. It's definitely a two-way design, which is great. Very cool. So we have a double backer, but with a secondary colorway. I'm hoping this colorway matches the other deck that we have. And then we have a gaff card here. This is the King of Spades, but it's inverted, which is super cool. Here we have our two jokers looking like capsules of film. And then we have our Ace of Spades here. Wow, that's really cool. I love this vintage feel going on where everything's printed on there, but it looks like it's been aged or potentially been pushed through some sort of film. You can even see some film edge there on the Two of Spades. And we have our court cards. These look pretty standard, but they've got that same vintage feel to it, almost like they've been printed on a fabric material or something of that nature. Here's our Ace of Diamonds. Here we have the Ace of Clubs, King of Hearts, Queen of Hearts, Jack of Hearts. Really cool. I remember seeing these on Kickstarter and really wanting to get them because it had that vintage camera feel to it. There you go. And just kind of waiting, decided it wasn't the time, and I was able to find them for a really good price, and I picked them up. They feel pretty good. They're not printed in the United States, which is kind of, I think, the standard. I think there's definitely better printing presses out there, but the United States playing card company is just the standard when it comes to the cards. So now I'm going to set this off to the side. Let's get into the other deck here. All right, so same exact tuck box here, but with the white color instead of the dark color that we see with the other tuck box. The serial number is different. This one has a different feel to it too. It almost feels a little bit more glossy. There are some definitely embossed pieces going on, and the texture on these is really cool as well. Same clear window there also. Let me break open the seal. All right. And so here we're met with that other colorway. So I'm super excited I was able to get both of these. So this double backer has the colorway of the other deck of cards. That's really cool. It almost looks like it's just simply inverted, but not completely there. Still a two-way back design. I believe these are also still printed by Legends. Yes, correct. And everything else, from my understanding, should be the exact same. Yep. So those are the same. Same ace of spades, same court cards. Just a different back design. These ones do feel a little bit thicker, but that could just be the way that they were printed, the ink, all that. That can all affect how they feel. As far as which one I like better, I definitely think I like this. I think this is just more of that standard classic camera look. And there you go, the Boskarta playing cards. I love how much detail was put into every single deck of cards. The way that the back design looks like that older style camera. This is definitely a great deck of cards, especially if you have somebody who loves photography and vintage cameras. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what decks of cards you're looking forward to this year, and we'll catch you on the next one.